Hello and welcome to the Opinion Now panel, a free survey site where you can register, answer surveys, and earn rewards. In this video, we are going to learn how to register on Opinion Now panel, how to verify your email address, and choose settings to get more surveys. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the registration form that you need to fill to join Opinion Now. Make sure you enter the correct information, as this will be verified every time you answer a survey. Any mismatch in the data will lead to disqualification or even getting you banned from the panel. If this is clear to you, let's go ahead and fill out the form. First, select your gender. Now, enter your email address where you wish to receive the surveys. Now, enter your password. As you can see, the password has to be between 8 to 50 characters long, should contain at least one number, and uppercase and lowercase letters, and at least one special character. You can create a combination of your choice, just make sure it fits the criteria. Select your date of birth. As per our policy, you should be above the age of 18 to be able to participate in our surveys. Enter your postal code. Enter your mobile number. Remember, your mobile number is very important for joining Opinion Now. You will receive all your rewards only on your registered mobile number via SMS or WhatsApp, depending on which reward you select. Keep in mind that Opinion Now does not send rewards via email. We verify your mobile number in the backend, and if the same mobile number is used in different accounts, all the accounts are banned immediately. As per our policy, you cannot have more than one account on Opinion Now panel. We will discuss more about this in another video. Now that you have filled out the form, you need to agree to the privacy policy and terms and conditions before joining the panel. We recommend that you take some time out and read the terms before joining the panel. If you agree, select the checkbox. Now, click on Register. You'll need to confirm that you're human by choosing the correct images in the captcha. In our case, we need to choose both. Select the correct images and click on Verify. You have successfully registered on Opinion Now panel. Now, you need to verify your email address. You will receive an email from Opinion Now on your registered email address. Go to your email account and open the verification email you just received. Now, click on the link to verify your email address. Now, for the final time, verify the captcha by choosing the right images. Your account is verified successfully. Now, scroll down to the settings. Change the ideal survey frequency to 6 per month, and click on Update. You have successfully registered, verified and set up your account. Go to the Survey tab and start taking surveys. Or you can go to the Profile tab. Choose a category and answer all the questions in that category. You can complete your profile at your own convenience. Completing your profile will increase your chances of getting more surveys and reduce disqualification. We hope this video helps you to register and get started on Opinion Now panel. We are excited to see you on the other side.